front of me is VIVO Y22S, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize the theme of your keyboard on this device. First of all, you need to access your keyboard and tap on this gear icon to access its settings. Now click on Theme section and scroll down. Following that, you can click on Show More at the bottom right corners to see all available ones. Then click on the best one for you. Manage keyboarders thanks to this switcher and save your keyboard by choosing Apply. So when I go back, as you can see, theme of mine has changed. But you can always go into exactly the same settings and customize it by choosing this plus icon under My Themes. Now click on the photo that you wish to apply, pinch it to scale and drag it to move. Now click on Next, adjust brightness by swiping left or right, and click on Done. Then manage keyboarders and choose Apply. If you wish to delete one of your keyboards, click on it, tap on this bin icon and confirm your choice in the pop-up. If you wish to edit one of your custom ones, tap on the chosen one, select this pen icon and make your changes. Remember to select Apply again. So now when I go back, as you can see, this time, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized within a match. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!